Birds. You can have a bird as a pet. They are born from eggs in a nest. Birds are very special pets. There are so many different kinds of birds. If you want to have a bird at home, you will need a big cage and also you will need bird food. Most birds love to eat seeds. Now, their body is covered in feathers. Also, they don't have a mouth. They have a beak. Most birds can fly, but not all of them have two wings. There are so many different colors of birds. Look at this picture. Wow! The most beautiful thing about birds is their singing. Have you ever heard a bird singing?